I'm Renuka, a medical doctor from the USA. I have done Satish Sharma's Chakra healing course, and it is a very complete program. Possibly eliminate a lot of the causes of many diseases. Diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, anxiety, depression, and thyroid problems, many of them. They find their root, I believe, in the chakras, in our own self. Healing is a whole process. So for anybody to heal from any disease, be it a small disease like a cough and cold, or to a major disease like cancer, one needs to look at the person wholly. I mean, they have to heal the whole body. There's just not the physical, the mental aspect of it, the emotional aspect of it, and the spiritual aspect of it. So this healing program or workshop which Satish Sharma does is a complete workshop, and regular doing of it, just not a month, but regularly doing it, possibly for 6 months, one can definitely see changes in actually the physiology.